Hello YouTubers, this is Anthony Mwambazi from Antec Technical Services, coming right back to you with our series of videos on installations. We're excited tonight just to show you our new installation we've just finished here in Sharon Lee in Randburg next to Northgate. We have a Deye 8 kilowatt inverter with two Dyness 5.1 batteries with a 250 amp fuse disconnector, and right along on my side here we have our AC protection box. As usual, we have our mains coming in for the AC protection box, our SPD. We've got both our pilot lamps on for ESCOM and the inverter, and we've got our changeover switch. You could switch manually between ESCOM and inverter. We have put in a 32 amp input for the inverter and the 25 out, and we have a sub dB that wasn't linked to the dB that we have linked to the system that they want to run off the swimming pool as well. And then upwards here we have our DC protection box, our combiner box with two strings. So up on the roof we have a whopping 4.6 kWp of panels, seraphim with exception, and we have two strings of 5 with the two fuses here, as you could see, an SPD for each and an isolator. And we also have for the second string, fuse disconnector, SPD, and a fuse disconnector. And right along here, if you look on the screen, there's quite a lot going on here. As you could see, it's really pulling. It's sitting at 6.51. The system, I think, is supplementing ESCOM. The batteries are also supplementing ESCOM. And if we go on the battery is charging, and LIBMS, there's your communication with the lithium batteries. And currently we've just got the AC and normal light, and then the actual property is drawing 434. And if we check on the ESCOM side of things, the CT is supplementing 7366 with ESCOM, about 17.8 amps going there. Right, so well, YouTubers, and then on the Dyness battery, if you notice, this is a master battery. We have a dip switch 3 up on the Dyness battery, and then on the slave battery we don't lift the dip switch, but we have the two network cables crossed in CAN out there to CAN in on the slave battery. And we have bonded our batteries, which is very important, with a 6mm cable. And just to repeat, because it's 190 amps pull, so we have to put a 250 amp fuse disconnector, which is closer to the system. Well, YouTubers, as usual, this is Anthony Mwambazi from Antec Technical Services. You can catch me on 082 3427 946, 082 3427 946. YouTubers, signing out. Enjoy.